Welcome to the F9 Financial Reporter. Like the Sage 300 Financial Reporter, F9 links directly to the Sage 300 database via an Excel add-on. You'll notice here on the top of the Excel toolbar we have a tab for F9 which shows all the functions and features available to us with this program. Also, like the Sage 300 Financial Reporter, each cell can be configured to access either actual or budget data for a specific account and for a specific fiscal year and period. Where F9 differs, however, is that it can access any number of Sage 300 databases on a single spreadsheet. This makes F9 the preferred tool for any organizations that require consolidated financial results. There are several other value-added F9 features that we will discuss later in the demonstration, namely the scheduled emailing of statements and the ability to write back budget data to your Sage 300 companies. F9 allows you to save files with values only so that you can email them to people who do not have direct access to the Sage 300 databases. Merely click on Publish F9 to email, and all the formulas are now values. You can also schedule the distribution of a report or a set of reports. Simply identify which reports you want to distribute. We can also instruct F9 to refresh the report before distribution, whether we want the formulas saved as values, and if we want the file name assigned a date stamp so that it does not override a previous distribution. Next, we enter our distribution list. And finally, how often we want to distribute the report. The last thing I wanted to touch upon was the budgeting capabilities of F9. You can generate a sheet for each department manager with their pertinent GL accounts and the months across the page. They can then fill out their budgets, and for simplicity's sake, I'll just add a few numbers here. Notice that revenue should be preceded by a negative to identify them as credits. I'll just copy these across the entire year. Click on Budget Write Back. Write your datas to ACPAC, and I know they're in ACPAC because I can take a look at the account in ACPAC and I can see that the numbers have been updated. As well, if I take a look at our F9 statement, change actual to budget, refresh the sheet, and our budget numbers are there.